everybody, this is Corey Roberts, and we're back with another gaming video. And today we are going to be playing Puppy Simulator. And this is actually kind of fun.
The graphics aren't as good as the first one, though.
Yeah. It's not really good graphics at all. Go on, find some other. Well.
Try to go through the wood, though.
I'm gonna do something else. It's actually kind of fun. Well, going outside. Wow, I'm driving a little mini car. I didn't know dogs could drive. Look, dogs can drive. Just look, I can drive as a dog. Whee. Wow, that's so cool. Dogs are terrible drivers. I lost my home. Right. I'm gonna go home if I can find it. Oh, I'm coming. That was my cousin. Yeah. Something. Sorry about that, guys. Whee! Yay! This is so cool. I'm spending a lot of time on this game because this is my first time playing this. And I thought it'd be nice for me to spend some more time with you guys. And also, guys, I want you to just say something. Please leave a like and comment down in the section below. I told y'all that I'd start doing some gaming videos, and now I am. So I didn't lie to you. It's pretty cool that I can do this.
There's some cars up there. Let's go check them out.
I knocked them over once. Well, actually, guys, I think that I'm gonna end the video here. Like I said, please leave a comment and not a like and subscribe. And that'll be greatly appreciated, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for giving Jace. And thank you for giving so much support on this. Bye.